What does the E09 Bosch Dishwasher Error mean? If your appliance is showing the code E09, it means there's a problem with heating the water. In most cases, the issue is caused by a faulty flow-through heater. That's the part responsible for warming the water during a cycle. Here's how you might notice the problem. The dishwasher runs, but the dishes come out cold, sometimes dirty. The program may stop midway or finish too quickly. When you see E09 Bosch Dishwasher on the screen, the machine is telling you it can't heat the water properly. What causes the E09 Bosch Dishwasher Error? A broken or burnt-out heating element. Limescale or mineral buildup, especially in areas with hard water. A faulty temperature sensor, a damaged control board. What can you try before calling for repair? First, do a full reset. Unplug the dishwasher from the power for about 10 minutes, then plug it back in and run a short program. Also, make sure you're using dishwasher salt if your water is hard. This can help prevent future heating issues. But if E09 Bosch Dishwasher keeps coming back, the heater likely needs replacing. In many Bosch models, the heater is built into the circulation pump. Can you fix it yourself? Yes, but it's not a simple task. You'll need to remove the dishwasher from its place, open the bottom section, and replace the pump heater unit. If you're not experienced with appliance repair, it's safer and faster to call a technician. The typical cost of repair, around $100 to $200 for the part, plus $100 to $150 for labor, depending on your location and the model. To sum it up, the E09 Bosch Dishwasher Error doesn't mean your appliance is beyond repair. In most cases, it's just one part that needs to be replaced. If this video helped you understand what to do, hit the like button and subscribe for more clear, practical home appliance advice.